I know. All right, this is a
2020 Honda Odyssey.
Yep, EXL.
L?
And I'm going to turn the hazards on because we don't have the keys.
No.
But it kind of turns on the blinkers, right?
Yes. That sounds different.
That's louder than the 2021 Toyota, isn't it?
Yes.
I like this. That's a good sounding blinker, huh?
Does it sound like Nora's car?
It does, doesn't it?
I thought
Because hers is a Honda too, right?
Yes. I like to look at the back blinker.
Okay.